Hello. What's up? Welcome again to Being Peter YouTube account channel by the name Being Peter. Yeah, today I'm happy. I'm happy again to see you, my good, beautiful people, wherever you are. Yeah. So, my dear guys, I have been passing through difficult things, through hard things, because here back in our village it is raining, flooding. Yeah, even I can't take shower well because it is raining. Water change into white, yellow color because of too much rain. So guys, it is being very hard to me even to take shower at the river. So that is why I have decided to take shower at home because of my safety. That water, it is very hard. It is very bad, dangerous for me. It can go within me. Yeah, it can take me away. Yeah. As the way you see, this is how rain do here. It is make soil illusion. Yeah. Let me turn up the camera, then you'll see how it is illusion the soil. And there people are mining sand. Yeah, sand mining. So as the rain is continue raining, it is the place continue doing what? Being flooding. Yeah. So to my new subscribers, I say thank you. If it is the first time to watch this video, Being Peter at the Village Boy, I say again thank you. Yeah, I say again thank you. Here I am in the village and I am around the river. Yeah, I am around the river and I am near my banana tree. And here I have a panga used to remove some suckers from my banana trees. Yeah, the way you see, I use this to remove the suckers from my banana tree. Yeah, like that. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, amazing. Ready to bring a banana. So my dear guys, if it is your first time to watch this video, make sure you have watched, subscribe, comment, and also share. Remember to support the boy account by the name Being Peter. Yeah, there is water flooding inside there. Yeah, there is water. So that's why I'm not taking shower in the river because of my safety. Let me show you the view of how this illusion is going on here. Wow. Now you can see how it is corrupts. That is water looking like milky. That is how the land corrupts due to soil mining. Julian, the view. Yeah, that sound you hear from far away, it is water sound. As the way I told you, I am near the river. Be with me in this journey until I show you the river, my dear friends. Yeah, I am near the, as the way you see very green plants here. Green plant, you can see water is flowing. Yeah, that is water. It is flooding. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, that is water. Yeah, that's what they see. Many water here, yes, the way you see the view of water. Yo, 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 nigga. That is the water now. As the way I told you, man, so much water. So I can't take shower here because of my safety. I have to take shower back at home. As the way you see, water turned the color from whitey to from brown to yellowish, as the way you see. So guys, this is my safety. I don't go to take shower here because of my safety. Yeah, I'm going to take shower back here at home, nigga. So continue watching Being Peter YouTube content channel. I love you all. From all countries, I welcome you to Being Peter, support the boy from the village. Guys, I have told you that today I'm not going to take shower back at the river because of my safety flooding in Kenya. So I'm going to take shower here back at home. Yeah, as the way you see, there is my water. That is my water. Yeah, I'm going to take shower here. So if it is your first time, share, subscribe, and also comment the channel Being Peter. So my dear beautiful people, here, this is my soap. This is my soap, but this is my Manila. So I'm going to use this to take shower back at. Can you subscribe, comment, also share. subscribe, comment, and also share. Washing banana. Wow, this water is very cold. Cold. I need a hot person to cool my body. I need a I need a hot person to give me very cold. Very cold. So, my guys, make sure I have reached something like 100 subscribers. Don't be 50s. No, I don't want tens. I need hundreds. Make sure I have hit 100 subscribers. Please, 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 please. And continue watching this video. Support the guy. Do what? Only one love. One love, one love, one love. Boom, boom, luck.